Hey, this is Killer Artillery, and this is the shooting test of the Pulse M74 DP. Okay, I'm going to be shooting it. I hope I got the name right. I kind of forget. But, gotta start shooting. Trying to figure out where. So this is missing. So you can tell it's very inaccurate. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, I just want to say, yeah, it's very, well, because I wasn't paying attention, because I didn't hit it that much, but I'll show you what I did. Just wanted to say, it holds more than 250, like you may say. This is the can. Got dents all in it, bottom got a lot of dents. It dents it because it's only 175 FPS. The other one, when I was doing my 6R, which kind of is broken. What the heck is a black splotch? Yeah, it has a bunch of dents in it. No holes. Nice dent right there. You see the little, like that little dot right there? It's a hole. Just the sun reflecting. You can't tell because it's like too close. Yeah, you can see them all. Bottom got a bunch. That's pretty much it. I might want to unload a little bit very close. Just don't try this at home, kids. You know I am. Eat dead. I can see it shoots pretty fast though. I would say at least shoots 300. At least 300 rounds per minute. Okay, now. My hole is probably going to drop that off the table, but it sucks for me. Yeah, it's still pretty devastated. If you were in a battle with this, you could definitely take out a bunch of people, but you're not going to hurt them that bad. Oh yeah, I'm also going to show you the semi-automatic. All you have to do, push that up, you can hear that sound. This little thingy right here. Sorry for the camera, bad image. Right here. It's full. Semi. You have to do right here. Hear that? Let it pump it. So you can see the can. I say, how did I not pump that back all the way? I can tell semi sucks. I'm holding the camera, so I can't really do it pretty fast. Like I said, it was a failure. Okay. I'm just gonna unload it. Ow, my freaking face. Damn, my nuts. That's freaking nuts. Devastation to this. Some dents. Not really bad. Crap, I dropped it. I don't know. That's on my dartboard. So. It gives off this weird plastic burning smell. So when it gets a little bit too bad, I would stop using your gun. Because then you can tell it's being overused. I mean, it's just this kind of freaky smell.